any beginning of a half pass, you always want to feel that you have that shoulder in connection and feeling. Shoulders come in front of his inside hip and your inside leg. Keeping the counter canter. Very good. So now, in preparation for the change, you think of shoulder for left now. Right from your left leg ahead to the outside rein, not the haunches out. Good. As if you, so that his left side gets relaxed in the rib cage. Super, super. Yes. And then ride the shoulder for afterwards from your inner leg to the outer rein. And then turn it into shoulder in. Super. Yeah? You have to get the tension out of the left side that is also in his rib cage. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes? So, there you go. Good job. Very good. Super. 20-meter circle. Good. There too. When you collect him, think about a little bit more shoulder in with bend. Outside leg back, shoulder in with bend. Good, good. Left heel down, and he has to stay ahead of your inner leg and around your inner leg. Good. And you will feel it in your calf if he gets tense to your inside leg. Good. That's right. Collecting shoulder in like. Collecting. Good. Left heel down. Left heel down. Exactly. Good. When he falls into your inside leg, yeah, it is more the lack of bend and suppleness than it is that that you need to yield the haunches out. That's right, like that. Nice.